I'm here the next day after the rain, trying to check out the condition of the car, see how clean or how more dirty it got. Yeah. Fuck what they say. You're what they say, man, what they say, you're what they saying, man. Fuck what they say. You're what they say, man, what they say, you're what they saying, man. Fuck what they say. You're what they say, man, what they say, you're what they saying, man. Fuck what they say. What they say, you're what they say, man, what they say, you're what they say, man. Everybody gossiping about me, fuck 'em, I roll above a clone, life's too short. High beat spitting that fire, ain't gotta ask twice, now you know. Home team, pick it up, never fall off. We don't walk around with our head down from the town 305. Was a show that I know, I don't wanna discuss, let live. Or we can die, I'm ready to die. Clean on the scene, fuck whoever don't like me. I don't do it for you. Man, I do it for me. This is my stress relief. Fuck what you think that you know about me. I'm headed to the future, the one that you planned for but never took action. Messed around with the function, you doubt me, you missed it. When I rearranged like Limp Bizkit, mind always lifted from the green clover. United on my people so we all come up. See too many walk the same path as you. Yo, I'm here to inspire the thought into you. Before I expire, regret what I do. I never took initiative and life comes me through. Stagnated, negative, open water. Any evil entering with open arms. Suspicious, I get it's at the head of them. They're stiffing like a mannequin, millennium ahead of them. What I do right now, you might not understand. All for a reason. You know when your mind is prepared. Fuck what they say. See you when you get there. You're what they saying. You're what they saying. You're what they saying, man. Fuck what they say. You're what they saying. You're what they saying. You're what they saying, man. Fuck what they say. You're what they saying, you're what they saying, you're what they saying, man. Fuck what they say. You're what they saying, you're what they saying, you're what they saying, you're what they saying. What they say. Fuck what they say. Digan lo que digan de mí.
It's all right now, fellas. It's all over. Everything's over.
Your folks are on the way out.
Is anyone else alive? Are they all dead?
Yes, ma'am. Two of my men pulled you